Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you will discover the amazing trick of creating easy woolen flower using finger and two colors of wool. Now begin by wrapping the first color of wool on your pointer finger for 15 times. Then attach needle at the extension of the wool and use that to sew around the wool on your finger. Then attach the second color of wool and sew the upper side of the woolen design to make a visible combination. After that, make the two pieces 5 and sew them together to make a beautiful woolen flower. After colliding them together, sew in a sizable bead at the middle of the flower to make it even more beautiful. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And I know you will find this tutorial easy to try. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.